Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Starling Bank. Starling Bank is a relatively new bank that has been making a lot of waves in the UK. They offer a number of free banking services, and they're also known for their innovative features. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, is Starling Bank free? I'll also be taking a look at some of the other features that Starling Bank offers, and I'll give you my overall verdict on whether or not I think Starling Bank is a good choice for your banking needs. So, let's get started. Before we get into the details of Starling Bank's free banking services, let's take a quick look at what Starling Bank is all about. Starling Bank is a digital bank that was founded in 2016. They offer a range of personal and business banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and loans. Starling Bank is different from traditional banks in a number of ways. For one, they don't have any physical branches. Instead, they offer all of their services online and through their mobile app. Starling Bank is also known for its innovative features. For example, they offer a feature called Spaces that allows you to create separate pots of money for different purposes. They also offer a feature called Goals that helps you track your progress towards your financial goals. Now, let's get to the question that you're probably most interested in, is Starling Bank free? The short answer is yes, Starling Bank is free for personal use. There are no monthly fees or account maintenance fees associated with a personal Starling account. However, there are some fees associated with certain Starling products and services. For example, there is a fee for using a non-UK ATM. There is also a fee for sending money abroad. Overall, though, Starling Bank is a very affordable banking option. In addition to being free, Starling Bank offers a number of other features that make it a great choice for many people. Here are a few of the features that I like best. Easy to use. The Starling app is very easy to use. You can easily set up new accounts, transfer money, and pay bills. Innovative features. Starling offers a number of innovative features, such as Spaces and Goals. Excellent customer service. Starling has a great customer service team. They are always available to help you with any questions or problems you may have. Overall, I think Starling Bank is a great choice for anyone looking for a free, convenient, and innovative banking option. If you're looking for a bank that offers a wide range of features and excellent customer service, I highly recommend Starling Bank. Before I wrap up this video, I want to mention a few of the drawbacks of Starling Bank. One of the drawbacks of Starling Bank is that they don't have any physical branches. This can be inconvenient for some people. Another drawback of Starling Bank is that they don't offer as many features as some other banks. For example, they don't offer overdrafts or credit cards. Despite these drawbacks, I still think Starling Bank is a great choice for many people. If you're looking for a free, convenient, and innovative banking option, I highly recommend giving Starling Bank a try. So, there you have it. That's my take on Starling Bank. And if you're interested in learning more about Starling Bank, you can visit their website or download their app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I'll see you next time.